This video demonstrates the framework to which the key dial is assigned. It's a fairly simple framework. The project key dial has a number of steps. Within each step there are subsections of which we call actions. Each action has a scope and a current status. The scope is a requirement, definition, instruction, guidance to which you want the actual action to be completed by. The current status is a means to actually append the action or update the part of the key dial or the project as and when. Each action can be individually ragged to identify the status of the individual actions. When a current status is appended, the previous current status drops down into the event history, which is date stamped, time stamped and user stamped, so that you end up with a full audit trail of all the transactions and activities within each action. You are able to attach files and web links, and we are in the process of developing some software to link into other systems to pull information automatically into the key dial through an API application. The key dial is a visual interpretation of the action plan, cells, documents process. Again, the step are the sections and the actions are the segments within the sections. Clearly the visual impact of understanding the overall requirement of the key dial or project is simple, and with the tools to be able to drill down through the sections or segments from the main dashboard makes it easier to manage and support. So looking at all segments, or to be selective against one, you select the current action from the left hand menu. The current status pops up on the right hand side. If you click on the event history or report icon on the right hand side, you end up seeing the scope, the current status, any attached documents, the full event history and who has access to each element. People can have access to different parts of the key dial, both in read or write access. Looking at all the elements, you look on the left hand side, which presents you a PDF or report of the section of which you supply. So if you select current status, this triggers all the current status across all the actions within the current step. So you get a current status report for the section with the rag indication. If you press the D, you get the attached documents to the various elements. Clearly, if you click on the document, you can open it online. If you want to be selective to drill down and look at the red or the ambers, all you do is switch off the other colours, and then you can print a report on the reds, which may be an area of concern. The Academy key dial, if you want to view everything, you click the centre or the tab buttons to the right hand side, and you will see the full breakdown of the key dial or project. You'll see the sections, which are the step headings, and you'll see the subsections, which are the actions and the relevant rags, and being able to drill and click through these. The Academy key dial is based on a framework. This framework can be configured to represent multiple projects, multiple key dials. This particular key dial is an Academy Performance Indicator key dial for a full Academy, linking into the Ofsted performance. This particular key dial is an Academy's action plan. This Academy key dial is based on recipes, and it demonstrates the flexibility in being able to attach things. So on here you can see we've got recipes for breakfast, dinner and tea, pudding, snack menus, which all the recipes are attached to demonstrate the framework is open and it enables you to build whichever project or key dial you wish to view. An ICT key dial to demonstrate that they are taking proper backups. There's a strategy plan attached, there's a disaster recovery plan in place, there's the correct inspection and the ICT commentary available online. The key dial here is a Academy conversion key dial. Clearly it's very comprehensive, but a conversion project is comprehensive. But to be able to see a single screen with the colours and being able to highlight the sections can give you some pretty good clarity, especially when you're viewing it across multiple sites, to see the position of a similar project that is being run across multiple sites. Thank you.